So now we're going to be using measurement conversions. And one way to help with this is by creating the gallon man. So the gallon man is just a picture, I'm sure you've all seen it, that you can easily kind of helps with looking at that reference sheet since there's just a bunch of numbers on there. It helps like make it easier to interpret. So we're going to start by drawing a big G for gallon. You know what? I'm going to make it even bigger because we are going to need a lot of space. So let me get rid of that. All right. I'm going to make mine even bigger, and that's the highlighter. Okay. So we have our gallon. Now we're thinking we can look at our conversion sheet here and reference sheet. This is the section we're looking at, just the customer conversions. We have 1 gallon, which represents our big G, and there are 4 quarts in every gallon. So we're going to draw 4 big Qs, and you know what? I'm going to draw with a different color. Make it a little bit easier to see. Let's see. Let's use. I'm really into blue right now. So we're going to draw 4 big. My friend. Okay. And we got that right from here, that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Now we see that in every quart, so every 1 quart, there's 2 pints. So let's see, let's use green. So we're going to draw 2 pints in every quart. And so now we have 2 pints in every quart. And looking here, there's 2 cups in every pint. I'm going to put, let's see, orange. 2 cups in every pint. This is going to be a lot. So gallon man's done. If you wanted to also include ounces, you can. There's 8 ounces in every cup, but it's going to be really hard to draw 8 fluid ounces in each of these. So you can that's always just one that I try to remember, look at on my reference sheet. But let's see how we can use this to help us. I'm going to use a lighter blue. So we have our big red gallon and we have 4 quarts. There's 2 pints in every quart. So let's see, if the question was how many pints are in a gallon, we can just count the number of P's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pints in every gallon. All right, let's see, maybe we wanted to figure out cups and figure out how many cups are in every gallon. We could count the number of C's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So for every gallon, there's 16 cups. Maybe it's not asking for a gallon. Maybe it's asking how many cups are in a quart. So here we would just look and we see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that completes our quart. So that means that there's 4 cups in every quart. I'm just going to put a Q for quart. So this is what can kind of help us figure out conversions instead of just looking. If you want to just look at these conversions on your reference sheet, you can. I personally like to use the gallon man because it can easily count and see how many cups are in a gallon.